Hey everybody, welcome back to our quick video. Today I just wanted to show you how I personally clean and lube my chain on my dirt bike. The same rules apply to motorcycles. I've done this on my R1 and my GSXR 750 I used to have, as well as my Harley. Now I just have an electric dirt bike, but it still has a chain that gets dirty and I need to clean it and lube it. So let's jump into it. All right, so necessities you're gonna need to perform this. Of course, a chain cleaner, any brand you'd wish, but I really like cleanup, as well as some chain lube. I like chain wax. I'll put links below to where you can purchase these on Amazon if you would wish, as well as a shop rag, shop towel, or microfiber cloth, and a chain cleaning brush. Highly recommend these. They're really cheap. Now, a product I'm going to be using that you don't necessarily need to, but I would recommend checking out, Moto Chain Mate. I like it because it reduces the amount of dirt and debris and mess you're going to get when you're cleaning your chain. You won't get any stuff on your wheels or your disc brakes, things like that, because it runs the chain in this trough. You spray it in here so it doesn't splatter everywhere, and then all the residual, residue and all dirt and everything falls into this little tube that you can dump out later. Also comes with a brush, and these little tubes rise and can tilt depending on the height of your motorcycle and chain. All right, first step is to get the rear wheel off the ground. So you're gonna want to prop it up on either a motorcycle stand or just a simple bucket, if that will work, or a rear tire rack that lifts the rear motorcycle so you can spin it and have access to the entire chain. All right, as you can see, the chain on my dirt bike needs a little loving. All right, next take your brush. You're just going to want to remove any simple dirt and grime off the chain before we spray it with our cleaner. Then I'll flip my brush around to get to the other side and do the same thing. All right, looking at the brush, we can see. Ew. All right, so next step, we're going to be spraying the actual chain with cleaner. This is where it can get messy and spray onto your wheels and things like that. If you do not have yourself a checkmate, do it outside and maybe have a towel ready to wipe down anything that you get overspray on. But I'm just going to set up my little chain mate, excuse me, telescope it up till it's like so. Put the little overspray lid on top. We're good to go. All right, then taking your chain cleaner, start spraying it on the chain pretty, generously as you rotate the tire. All right, next up, I remove my chain mate, and then grab yourself a microfiber cloth or somewhat of a clean shop towel and just go over the chain, wiping as much additional off as you can of the actual cleaner. As you can see, it's still pretty dirty, so I'm going to go around it a few times to get it squeaky clean. All right, next I'm going to put the chain mate back on. Next, take your chain lube, and we're going to apply it to the entire chain as we rotate. All right, look how much cleaner that chain looks. It's good to go. All right, let's see what the actual cleaner got in the reservoir. I got a little fluid extractor. I'm gonna pour it into. Ew, it's like nasty motor oil. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you'd like links to any of these things, I'll put links below to where you can purchase them on Amazon, the chain mate or these cleaners. I like these cleaners because they just seem to have more volume of actual product in them, unlike other ones that I've tried. So I can usually clean and lube my chain probably about 4 to 5 times with both of these cans. So at 15 bucks a can, they're kind of expensive. So to know each time you're cleaning your chain, it's only like $4 or so, I think it's worth it. So hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button, and happy riding.